Hello and welcome to the best university enquiry channel, Ghana University Application Tips. This channel mostly focuses on tertiary admissions and guiding prospective applicants gain admissions successfully into their favorite tertiary institutions. And we also talk about the available opportunities at the universities whilst you're a student on campus. So kindly subscribe to the channel and don't miss out on the bright side of university admissions and opportunities. So nowadays, we all know that nursing education has become a very important and popular field of study at the training colleges and universities. And these institutions are accredited by the National Accreditation Board, and all activities, curricula, and examinations are regulated by the Nurses and Midwifery Council of Ghana. Admissions into nursing and midwifery schools can be extremely competitive, so it's important you put your best foot forward when applying. So there are several nursing and midwifery training schools in Ghana, and the requirements and the fees paid into these nursing or midwifery schools vary right from university, training colleges, and other private institutions approved by the Ghana Health Service and the National Accreditation Board. And in order to start your career in nursing or midwifery, you must first of all show interest, which should be passion related. And the reason why I'm saying this is because lots of nursing trainees drop out of school simply because they could not stand the scene of blood, accident patients, dead bodies, and several other factors. So it's important to do your homework well before purchasing the nursing forms. You can pay a visit in person if you can to any of the nursing training schools and speak to some of the students who have been admitted and ask for tips about their experience in the nursing or midwifery field. You can also get recommendation from professional healthcare workers or registered nurses that will advise you in your career decisions, or get recommendations from people that will make a difference between acceptance or rejection. So after you are done with all your research about the nursing career, you can now decide to purchase the forms and apply into the nursing or midwifery school. But their forms are normally advertised in the newspapers and at the official website of the Nursing and Midwifery Council, mostly at the beginning of every year. Purchase of application voucher. So in order to apply into any nursing training school, applicants must purchase application vouchers at any Agricultural Development Bank ADB or Ghana Commercial Bank GCB branch near you, and this includes the cost of verification of results, SMS alerts, and all other correspondence. And most importantly, you are not to post any hard copies to the schools, as all modes of communication will be through SMS or email. So upon payment, applicants will receive a voucher giving them a unique PIN and serial number. And I really want to stress on the fact that you should have a dedicated phone number and a personal valid email address so that the school can get in touch with you. And do not use the email address that belongs to your parents, friends, or your siblings. So after purchasing the voucher, use the PIN code and serial number to access the application form online at healthtraining.government.gh, and you are to follow all the instructions carefully and fill in the relevant stages of the admissions process once the online application is open. You can also use this same PIN and serial number to track the status of the admissions process. Before you start the whole process, you should bear in mind that there are some things that you need to get ready, such as your biographical details, like your name, and it should be the same name on your WASSCE certificate, your date of birth, and this should be the same date of birth on your birth certificate, as well as your result slip, your place of birth, and the region, your address or digital address, the name of your parents, guardian, next of kin, and all their contact information. You will also need a scanned copy of your WASSCE certificate and upload the results, and it can be either your May, June, or NOVDEC or even both the maid room and knob deck. You will also require a passport size photograph, an active email address, and an active telephone number to receive your messages. You should also remember that before you print and submit your application, please review the application summary and make sure all the details you entered is as correct as possible. You'll receive a notification message on your mobile phone indicating that your application is successful. And please take note that only qualified applicants who meet the admissions requirements will be invited to attend a competitive interview at the school which you selected. So using the Google Chrome search engine, let's search for healthtraining.government.gh. So it will take us to the official website to apply into any of the nursing training institutions, and there are instructions for application where you have to purchase a voucher worth 200 Ghana cedis at GCB or ADB Bank. You have to click on apply located at the top of this page. You enter your serial number and PIN found on the voucher. You have to fill the form with all your details, attach certificates and photos, submit and print out your application summary, regularly check your application status with your serial number and PIN. And when you are invited, you are to confirm your invitation and attend your interview, check your interview results, check and print out your admissions letter, confirm your admissions fee and pay at the designated bank, and report to school. So when you report to school on time, you are to attend all classes, take part in quizzes and exams, pass your clinicals, and also pass your final exams. So depending on your qualification or WASSCE results, you can apply for the degree program, which has institutions like the College of Health Yamfo, the College of Health and Wellbeing at Kintampo. You can equally apply for the diploma program, which has various nursing training colleges associated with the diploma program. There is the College of Health Sciences at Yendi in the Northern region. There's also the Nursing Training College Damango, also in the Northern region. There's a Nursing and Midwifery Training College Guaso in the Bronx Ahafo region, as well as many other nursing and midwifery training colleges which you have options to select from. There's also certificate programs and associated colleges are the Nursing and Midwifery Training College Teshi. There is also the Midwifery Training College Nandom in the Upper West region, as well as many other nursing and midwifery training colleges across the country. There is also the post-basic certificate program, as well as a post-basic degree program with all nursing training institutions attached to various programs. There's an institution like the Critical Care and Peri-Operative Nursing College at Kolebu in the Greater Accra region. So based on the qualification you possess, you can select any of these program options and select the training institution which you want to attend. So when you are done reading all this, you click on the apply now. You enter your serial number as well as your PIN code, and you begin the application process of becoming a professional nurse or a midwife. Regularly check your application status with your PIN and serial number, because along the line you may receive a text message and an interview date for you to attend the interview. So after a successful interview, you have to wait for your admissions offer letter, print it out, and finally report to the school you selected online. You are also to confirm the admissions fees on your admissions letter and pay at the designated bank. And you should take note that the nursing training school fees vary based on the program you are undertaking. So be sure to confirm your school fees, accommodation fees, SRC fees, and some other dues before you make any payment at the school or at the bank. So after all this process, you are to report to the nursing training or midwifery school on time, attend classes, take part in quizzes and examinations, pass your clinicals, and finally pass your final exams and begin the journey of becoming a professional nurse and a midwife if you follow these very simple steps. Thank you for watching from the beginning to the end, and I'll see you in the upcoming video.